Hey there, guys. So McGraw-Hill has just released a brand new Connect website for students. It's not changing how what your instructor sees, but it changes what you guys see. And so one of the things that's happening that we're noticing are some of the links might have changed. For example, Tegrity has changed. So where you used to be able to access inside of the pretest Tegrity setup assignment, you would have a Tegrity link inside of there in the video. Those aren't going to be applicable any longer with the new Connect website. So here's how you're going to access Tegrity instead. Your instructor should have added a McGraw-Hill Connect library link. So you're going to go ahead and click on that McGraw-Hill Connect library link. And then you'll click Launch just like you might have already been doing with the old Connect. It's going to bring us over to the new Connect website. And once I'm inside, then I can see right over here that I have these resources. The bottom one is called Recorded Lectures. That's the equivalent of Tegrity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That takes me over to the Tegrity website like you've always been doing. From there, basically, you're just following those same steps that you've been doing all semester long. Click Start a Test, take a picture with your student ID, and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on my tab for the Connect website. Now I can go back to Blackboard right now, or I can go ahead and proceed on with the pretest. So I would go ahead and click on this pretest Tegrity setup. For this one, this is a Spanish 3 course, but it'll be the same for Spanish 1 or Spanish 2. I'm going to go ahead and click Begin. Click Start. If you see a video or you see the previous links for Tegrity, again, those are not working. But what is still applicable is to make sure that you do have Tegrity set up and it's running. You understand that no other resources are allowed. You've ensured that your upper body and shoulders are within view, and then you've also panned the room and your work surface. So if everything's checked out there, then you're going to go ahead and click C, and you're going to click Submit. Now, when I click Exit Now, it's going to take me back to Blackboard. And from there, I'll be able to scroll down to my test and go ahead and click it and get started on my test. And just like usual, you would not stop Tegrity until you had submitted your test. And then you could stop Tegrity and wait for it to upload. Alright, if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor. Otherwise, buena suerte con todo.